Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
Late 2013, you get one thing where they call the Same-Sex Prohibition Act, where our former president, Goodluck Jonathan, signed for January 2014. And for that act, they talk say whether you be man or we like man, or you be woman we like another woman, or now they do adult play things. Say if they catch you, you know now, 14 years now you go spend for prison. Then on top of that one, they talk say whether now you register the business or now you get the club, or now you they sweep the club, or you self now you they be DJ for inside the club. If they catch you now 10 years you go. Welcome to Na Your Health, the one and only show where they carry better information plus gist wey go blow your mind, carry and put for your domot to make sure say you sabi all the things where you supposed sabi on top your health, your lifestyle, and the cajadness of your body. My name na Dr. Adora, and I know they ever waka alone. I dey like to move with this. In fact, I don't know as I want to introduce her today. But she is, I love her, Sha. Finally. Lucia Nobong.
I love it too. All right, yes, now you had Niger half castle Lucia Nobong. Now you know say na homosexual, lelo, lesbian, no man to man, get together, woman to woman, boy to boy. That's what the episode is about today. And most of us, we know they understand. When they try, they say, we don't understand why it be say man, they follow man. Or woman, they follow woman. That's not why we don't bring them on top to the episode. Say, make we try see why it be say some people they follow that kind of pattern, and why it be say some people know they follow that kind of pattern. Now, for a very average person, that's not if average people see the for average person, this kind of thing when they think about them, they do them like makata. So why man go they follow man? Where that one step first happen? How we take start? Well, according to one waka sit down group, then we go do survey. They say when they do survey, they ask people this kind of question based on man and man things and woman and woman things. They say about 14% of men and 10% of women. Now if talk say maybe one kind of enjoyment day for this kind of thing, maybe, just maybe enjoyment day for this kind of thing. So you got to wonder the other percentage, where then they? That's the one on top of the show today. We'll go first dissect them. We'll go try our best. See, give you the different approach where some people don't put for granted, say, now like this. Now you go choose which one you believe in. And we'll go still show you, say, not be only human being. Now they do homo. Now they follow the same sex. Animals too, they follow for that one. So we'll go bring you the animals them. We also follow for homosexual things. Then we'll go still come back, still dissect them more. Give you plenty things on top of them. Then after that one, we'll go come give you some of the health gbege. Because some people think, say, if I they follow man, if I be man, they follow man, I not go fit catch HIV, I not go fit catch some kind of sexual things. Foul, you know they work like that. Some health big day, we will go dissect for you, go just put them down for you, so that tomorrow when you they follow them talk, you feel knock your chest, say, yes, I have information. And information, they say, now power. So you need to sit down where you are, because the soap is about to hit your domot.
Yes, so the soap is really about to hit your domot. Well, on top of this matter today, say, as my sister talk, say this thing, some people, they never understand waiting be the, whether a natural thing or whether they born some people like that, because that's not the argument where they ground now. Some people they talk, say, it be like say them born some people like that. Say I was born like that. When my mama born me, it's gay I like, because me be gay. Say na gay I like. Then boy go say, as my mama born me, na boy I like. Then some people say, no. Say this thing, people then learn them. Not be so which kind them born them like that. And the first thing when they talk be say na tradition. Say, you get some kind of things where you go see. Because of the way of life of some people, maybe for your place, because they see them like that, especially for our Western world. This side, it happen, no, but it not be like that side. You know what thing don't happen for there now. So they Ogbonge America, they don't legalize them. For the whole America, say anywhere now where you dey. The day where I hear that just fear catch me, you know why? Because say America, they're very influential. Once it don't happen for there, they go one make the thing they happen for all this. When they invite our president that year, they think say, waiting they want to take this guy, they want find they want to persuade them. Anyway, so that thing, because of the tradition, the culture around you, if it is possible, say you learn them. So that's not some of the arguments where they. And that first one, now waiting that they talk, say it be like say then they learn them because of the things where they see around them. But some people say no, it be like say them born me like that.
Oh yes, okay, that one they say it be like say they learn am abi. The second one where I know say some people they argue, they say that based on the argument, now say it be like say na colo illness, mental illness. Now behavior they call it for mental illness. And they say sometimes the reason if be say now the way they take grow up, childhood things, the way they take relate time when they be child, the way they take do different things time when they be children, now be one of the things. So you see say mental behavior, number 2. Number 3, the second one they talk, they say now biological. Biological means say it inside your gene, it inside your body. As you did, they make you for inside your mama belly, the thing follows join. As you come off your mama belly, the thing join you follow. So it is genetically inclined. Now so the third one, and maybe the reason why they talk say, if it be say this is now one of the methods, the shortcuts where you stay enter our body, or where you stay make people they talk or the reason
enter our body. No enter our body, oh. You know enter okay. You not be man you marry. Me I marry man. Not their our body. Okay. No. Them body.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
14 years.
Ne.
I
got to open the mouth because apart from anything self, on top of the fact say you won't spend the rest of your life for jail. How old you be? 14 years. Everything don't just go be that. Anyway, so inside all these things where we don't tell you now, don't sonch give you some reasons. Some people say na traditional, some say na biological, whichever one. Which of these ones actually gets facts? You know, say lawyer go talk say if you don't get evidence, if you don't get facts, you don't get argument, you don't get case. Understand? So wetin be the ones where even get facts on top this matter? Well, for that one where they talk say na biological, say if it be genes they cause am. I beg. They don't do research. Sabi people, you know, say sabi people. They sabi do research where now their work be that. They can't do research on top of the matter. Can't find out. Say the genes of heterosexual are the one where they do man, where they do woman. Then the genes of homosexual, that's man where they do man or woman where they do woman or whatever. Anyhow where they want one. Say the genes, you not get any difference. So now the same genes where heterosexual gets, now homosexual gets. So they never see any difference yet or inside the genes of homosexual and heterosexual. So that one not be facts. Now just speculation, now just theory. People come with to support their behavior. Not be fact at all.
All right, now this second one we get, I get for read them because I get for quote them. So that tomorrow if you want quote, you no go come misquote me, make I no go misquote another person. Now some people talk say, it be like say they believe, say this behavior they learn them. So that's what they go just see. They just like person where they do them. Just say, ma kolobi this kind of thing. Ma see as the person they do them. Now then we do research. Heavy research then do. Then talk say they ask people say why be say they enter this kind of behavior pattern. Why be say they enter this kind of thing like this? Now they talk say they even do research even before gay rights. Even before they start they call the homo gay lele before they give them that nickname, what does find name? And that time they don't do the research. And they talk say the first study, then do them. And the first way do them na Kingsley for inside 1940s. You imagine? You know how many years 1940 be? 1940s. And the homosexuals that time when they used to do this research, now 1,700 homosexuals. 1,700 homosexuals, and they used to conduct that one. I make them come to the conclusion, say, be like, say, some people, they just go colobi this behavior, this character from another set of people. The second research they do for inside 1970, make a quote 1970, they say they use about 979 homosexuals. Both of them, we see at the time when they do this kind of test, they never ever start to remember say gay rights. Anybody want to talk about homosexuals? That time it be there on a very coded level, and to an extent, nobody be they take and say now so the thing goes spread, reach level where the thing spreads. So even for inside 1983, for one study where they just use random samples, they can say this desire, this sexual desire, hey, it be like say, hey. They just colobi and just see in one place, just colobi and just like that. To not be something where it be there inside their gene. So you need to check yourself.
Not be small something. You know, say they don't find out, say get evidence, say this homosexuality that now man liking man, woman liking woman, like drug where person they hand down to the next person. In other words, for example, if person papa now homosexual, I mean, you don't need prophet to tell you. Say if care is not taken, if be careful is not addressed, that person will become homosexual. And they don't even discover, say most of the people where they learn them, where they do them, then maybe in a man, maybe a small boy, now one man approach him, say, guy, I like you. I like your way. If they buy on something, if they try win in affection, small time, one day, door will close. We'll just tell him, bend over backwards. Let me do you something. Now so, So some of these things, like we dey talk, we don't show you fact say most of these people not be say na gene or anything, na something where they don't learn over time or situation like this one where I describe now, where an older man or older woman go approach the younger person, tell and say, or just yarn am say do am like this or do am like that, and before you know wetin dey happen, as they grow, they will come learn am. So I sure say when I don't understand one or two things concerning this thing, my own opinion, are we not on the same page?
We're on the same page.
It is not a natural something, no. It's something where you go learn or something where your environment could influence you. But now here we want draw the curtain for this matter. We want bar break now, and we want show you,
say not be only human beings they do get this homosexual behavior. Animals too they follow get this kind of sexual behavior.
Now.
So they need to understand say what we are doing now, what some people are doing now. Animals are still doing it.
It is an animalistic English. Animalistic behavior.
Whether come back or wash it.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
Alright, welcome back. Now still your very own show. Now your health, now you on top of your TV. So as you they watch us and also that video don't chuck. It don't chuck some of now. Make it not to chuck you because animals then sabi and pass away. We are just learners. Are you a learner? You shouldn't be a learner this matter.
Charles Darwin of it, we talk say we evolve from
animal.
Not even the animal now. Or then chimpanzee. So because they do, because chimpanzees can't they do homosexual things. Now human being one they follow them.
They say what is good for the goose is good for the gander.
Who be good for the gander?
All right, yes, so they talk about homosexuals, whether na lele, whether na lesbian, all of the above is what we are talking about now. Now, so we don't bring them to you, say, this homosexual thing. We already tell you, say, forget them, it's not a biological thing. Not be certain way your gene they get. And certain way some people just they see the behavior, they sweet them for body. They don't imagine them say, maybe if this other one no work, if man with a woman know they work for me, or woman I be woman they follow my know they work for me. Let me come and try out the other side. So now we can ask, say, what really they cause this homosexual desire? What thing they cause them in the first place? Because now would I tell you say they know they inherit them? It's not inherited. So rule that one out. But say no one answer fit cover every sector. If you want to do some homosexual thing, we get different kind of things than what we cause them. So inch by inch, we do and back, make it for no loss. So just listen tight. Adora, take it away.
Yes, so the first one I say, when pikin wey small, say plenty children now they abuse them. So if they abuse one pikin now, maybe small boy of 5, 6, one uncle do one for house when everybody go, they very, very likely, like in fact we don't already yarn this thing before, say that pikin go grow up to become homosexual because of his first experience. Then on top that one again, if this pikin too, if the first person will come approach the person will be homosexual, now adults, you understand? If now person where they older than now, or person where even they look up to, because now how these things they happen. For example, I get one auntie where I say auntie I want to be like you when I grow up, and now she come maybe I be small girl of maybe a teenager, now she come they do this kind of thing, come introduce the person to her. Before you know it's in they happen, of course, last that person must become homosexual. That's what the thing they happen.
Another one be saying that family, some kind of family things don't know they normal. If they born you for inside some kind of family, maybe your mama likes to follow woman, and she be the godon for inside the family, and she they tell you where to sit down, which kind of food to chop. Imagine say you get that kind of mama. Of course, that kind of mama go influence you. You go want they follow in part. One see the thing with the sweet and for inside that place, make you say follow and make you test the forbidden apple. Or if you get papa where maybe the papa no get mouth like the mama gets. And this mama will they talk about now she they always now she they always make you do the thing where she don't even want you to do, or even the one way she wants you to do. And your papa no fit talk, your papa go to put you come on top of the matter. Of course, the pikin go grow with what the pikin they see. Or if one of the mama and papa say one of them they follow man, or the mama they follow woman, and it can sexually abuse that pikin. What will they talk? So this is not be saying a spirituality where they follow you for your grandpapa household. Sometimes now just some kind childhood things where the person they see, where the person they take relate with, and they affect the sexuality of that pikin.
Exactly. Then the next one I want you now one thing where they give me personally serious concern. The rate at which pornography don't enter our hints, as in now anybody will want to watch porn if you don't get access to them one time. And because of this, say the advancement of technology, now small children, I get brother will be like how many years old? He get small phone now, where they go. And that phone get access to internet. You can see some kind of children where they watch pornography. On top of that one, even cartoons, they don't design pornography for cartoons safe. Understand? So all this exposure to pornography, now they cause some of these children. Because of that, their minds go very, very wide. They begin explore some kind areas where they're not supposed to explore. So because of this one now, they get this insane desires. We don't need normal at all. That one they contribute. Then on top of that one, because of the pornography, they masturbate. And if they masturbate, the truth be say, when they give yourself pleasure, only you want. They try give yourself pleasure. If one day you want to make another person give you pleasure, and you look, na man or na woman, when they talk to una self, you understand, and when they attracted to each other. One thing from clap, you go enter dance. If na man there with you as boy, maybe your close friend, one day una go one experiment with each other, and then so the thing they happen. So pornography by itself, it don't cause plenty gbege, don't cause plenty kasala. As in not be small matter, oh my sister.
Yeah, another one self now cultural influence. This is our culture. Self also follow for the things where they cause them, because for some cultures that they promote homosexuality. Some cultures they don't say anything the way they're wrong in them. So and now they don't even include that into their sex education talk. Say a lot of times some of these are picking them. Now the teachers now they influence them. So imagine say they get gay teacher. We don't they sexually do things to them. We don't they try to make them understand their body language. And as a teacher, make we say na man teacher. Now boy picking now the teacher go they follow. Now boy picking now the teacher go they do some kind of things for the body. These kind of things are the way they affect our children. So I beg, we need to check our eye to see the things where they happen for inside. Shine your eye, because no.
So my friend,
hey,
she go born her pikin for America. He say I beg, I no go fit train my pikin for you. Now just to born, we go collect the citizenship, and we come back. We come back and train ourselves. Because thank God, at least Nigeria with all the plenty
things we they see for inside.
You understand? With all the plenty, this one, at least we still get one voice. Like a large percentage of people still stand say nothing for this side, and that's where it go be.
And say when they talk about all this homosexuality and how they think they take start, or the desire, or where they come from, you need to know say health gbege for this sexuality thing. So they talk about some people think say if I'm a man I'm following the man, I don't get AIDS, I don't get HIV, I don't get STD, I don't get STI. Foul, they work like that. We need to open your eye well. So if you think say you dey safe for some kind dirty diseases, don't deceive yourself. Just hold on, because we are coming back to give you more of that one. When they come back, not go anywhere.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So comot your shoe or leave am.
Science has uncovered the origins of a lot of things over the centuries, but one question that's still on everyone's mind: how did homosexuality evolve? Hey guys, Tara here for D News, and over the past 2 years of doing this show, we have covered a lot of scientific breakthroughs. Finding water on Mars, birth control for men, the relative usefulness of bras, but now science may have solved one of its greatest mysteries yet. How did homosexuality evolve? Well, according to new research published in the journal Archives of Sexual Behavior, It may have evolved in order to promote social bonding amongst humans. This is the first study of its kind to find discrete evidence that our need to bond with others actually increases our openness to engaging in homosexual behavior. For their study, a team of researchers from the University of Portsmouth looked at the relationship between sexual attitudes and the hormone progesterone. What they discovered is that the more progesterone there is in a heterosexual woman's saliva, the more open she is to the idea of engaging in homosexual behavior. Likewise, heterosexual men who are subtly reminded about the importance of having male comrades reported feeling more open towards engaging in homosexual behavior, and that was particularly true for men with higher levels of progesterone. But what is it about this hormone that relates to all of this? Well, a bit of background. Progesterone is a steroid hormone typically found in women's ovaries and men's adrenal glands. In the same way that oxytocin is considered to be the love hormone, progesterone is basically the friend version of that. It's one of the main hormones responsible for caring and friendly behavior, which is why your levels of progesterone tend to rise when you're having a close interaction with a friend. Obviously, from an evolutionary standpoint, it's beneficial for humans to form social bonds. So from that perspective, more progesterone in your body is a good thing. But then comes the topic of reproduction, which for humans is basically the logical endpoint of sexual behavior, or at least we think it is. According to lead author Diana Fleischman, sexual behavior hasn't always been just about reproducing. It's also about forming and maintaining social bonds, and there's certainly evidence in other species demonstrating that recreational sex isn't limited to just humans. Great apes, for example, have historically engaged in homosexual behavior as a way of forging new friendships. While we are on the topic of forging friendships, I want to veer off for a minute and let you guys know that today will officially be my last day on D News. For those of you who follow me on Twitter, this shouldn't come as too much of a surprise since I did announce a few weeks ago that I would be leaving Discovery at the end of November. But I just want to say, for the record, what an absolute pleasure it has been working on this show. It has been such an amazing experience getting to host what I consider to be one of the best YouTube channels out there. No bias, obviously. Not to mention being able to work alongside such an amazingly talented team, both on screen and behind the scenes, has been very inspiring. I especially want to thank you guys, our viewers, for welcoming me onto the show and into your homes. You guys have been so wonderful to me these past 8 months, and I will forever cherish my time with D News. Of course, if you would like to keep up with me outside of the show, I encourage you to follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/TaraLongest. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, fun memories, embarrassing moments of me you'd like to reminisce about, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Hey guys, damn it, I knew that was gonna happen. A hormone that's been shown to, not only that, but they are protected against pneumococcal pneumonia.
Now your health don't return.
My sister, you know say e get one particular place for UK, especially where the men there, they be gay, as in e get na gay community. See all of us were so that nobody will discriminate us. Let us all be together.
But you know, see, now they don't make underwear.
They wear pampers. Now wait till I want this you. Pampers. Why? Because of fist diaper. Now so they do now. Diaper. That's one way they pad where baby they wear.
Adult diaper.
Adults. You know, because of that thing now,
yes,
the consequences.
Now, if you do for inside the
fistula, now they call them, they'll come, they open. Before you know it, they happen. Shit.
You know, go feel whole them again.
Shite. Sorry, hi, Adora.
No, it's White House. You forgot the White House.
Sorry. So the shiting that's supposed to be entering the White House will just be coming out by himself.
But you know, Adora, on the flip side, this thing now, don't they make some things dear. Brazil don't they dear for market. Pints don't they dear for market. Because these guys, this one's what they call homosexual, some of them they even change their body, change some kind of things. If you see them, you go say, you should say you be man before. Or you be woman before.
I want our story now, all just. You know our popular.
In fact, another episode for another day. Anyway, all right, on top of the show today, we'll already give you waiting be the main cocoa of the matter, that the homosexuality. We don't dissect them for you, make you understand all the things where you need to understand on top. Also, we bring you some animals then. We also follow for inside homosexuality, make you know things say not only human beings they do Then we say also give you the health brigade where this thing they cost, because some people think say they're safe from so many things. Our social media still there for you to check your mouth inside Facebook, Twitter, all of them. If you to follow us personally, personal. We'll follow you bumper to bumper on top Instagram. All right. But for you with it, yeah, you still get your choice. Now you go make your choice. You
My
know,
own
if you
advice
like
to
choose
you.
good, choose bad. Anyone way you want.
One advice for you to in the whole matter. You see, abeg, eh? If you know say you know one day involved, first you talk say you know go chop with devil, use a
Small
soft
spoon.
spoon. Go use long. In fact,
One.
my own be say no chop with devil at all. No carry yourself go get homosexual friends, gay friends, or lele them. Na them surround you. You no fit make am like that. Or you go dey watch all this film now. Nowadays every series they go put this thing inside. No, they if you surround yourself with those things, na anything where you dey see, na you go become. Na him. So abeg, eh, watch your back. One love from Na Your Health. We go see you next time.
We bad. No lele. No.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.